Welcome everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at the NOCO GENIUSPRO25, a professional smart battery charger that combines power, precision, and versatility for lead-acid and lithium batteries. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this battery charger at the best price in the market. The GENIUSPRO25 is a serious upgrade over older models like the G15000, offering next-level charging performance for anyone who demands reliable battery maintenance. One of its standout features is the multi-voltage capability, allowing you to charge 6V, 12V, and 24V batteries with a consistent 25A output for most applications, while the 24V output provides 12.5A. Whether you're working with AGM, gel, SLA, VRLA, or lithium LiFePO4 batteries, this charger can handle it all, including deep cycle, marine, and maintenance-free batteries. For professionals who need durability and safety, the integrated thermal sensor automatically adjusts the charging rate depending on ambient temperature, preventing overcharging in hot conditions and undercharging in cold, which means optimal battery health year-round. The GENIUSPRO25 can even charge batteries from as low as 1 volt and includes a force mode for completely dead batteries, giving you peace of mind when restoring neglected or deeply discharged batteries. Precision pulse charging reverses sulfation and acid stratification, effectively extending the battery's life while restoring performance. The build quality is professional grade, with tough nylon-braided and silicone-insulated cables that are rated to -40 degrees Celsius, ensuring abrasion resistance and long-lasting durability. The dual-voltage power supply also provides clean, ripple-free energy, perfect for ECU flashing, reprogramming, or diagnostic testing. In the box, you get everything needed for immediate use, including AC and DC cables, a 10-foot extension, and a protective EVA case. While the price is on the higher side, the value for professionals and serious enthusiasts is clear, especially with features like battery restoration and advanced safety. Overall, the NOCO GENIUSPRO25 is a versatile, reliable, and powerful solution for anyone looking to maintain, repair, or charge batteries efficiently. Check the link in the description below to secure this charger and experience professional-grade battery care for yourself.